और तू तो पूरा बदल ही गया रे। सूट बूट पहन के गाँव में घूम रहा है।
अरे कितना भी सूट बूट पहन दूं, धुन तो तेरा लंगोटिया यार ही। जैक एंड एमा, मीट माय फ्रेंड हरी।
नमस्ते।
ओ तो तूने पहले ही सीखा दिया है। नमस्ते, glad to meet you, Jack and Emma. I have heard a lot about you from Dhruv.
Same here. By the way, what type of year you guys were discussing about at last?
लंगोटिया यार, it means childhood friend.
Oh,
Harsh and I were always together during our childhood days. We went to the same school, make fun of others together, played together and so on. Words will be less to tell you how we spent our days here.
Who is it?
You know, Harsh is a reputed farmer of our village who blends traditional farming with modern agriculture technology. He is a well-educated farmer and engineer. क्या रे इंजीनियर बाबू, अपनी खेती नहीं दिखाएगा इन सबको?
Is it Harsh? It's great to hear.
hey, show us your petty. And also, we can see the village very closely. As our world, so of India lives in its community.
Of course, guys. But before that, please come to my house.
Sure.
अरे तो रहने दे रे। Yes, Emma. What happened?
I asked him his name. He said me yes, yes, come, and thanked me for no reason.
अरे Emma, he's my cousin and he doesn't know much English. He's just learning.
Oh, alright.
तू चल अब तेरी क्लास लेता हूँ।
अरे क्या चल रहा है? तेरी खेती करने नहीं ले जाना क्या?
जाना है ना? चलो चलो, let's go.
The group explores the farm and Jack starts clicking photographs and he is amazed by its views.
Harsh, the farm's amazing. There are so many different types of crops in here.
It's true. It's really amazing. You know, I always wanted to be a farmer, but my father wanted me to be anything but not a farmer. Isn't it so strange that human civilization started by doing agriculture? Humans got settled by doing agriculture, but now we think we cannot settle in life by doing agriculture. पापा यही है मेरे वो फिल्म की दोस्त.
खम्मागनी मेहमान खम्मागनी आपको स्वागत है.
He is welcoming you in his farm.
Oh, namaste.
नमस्ते बेटा.
पाए लागू चाचा, कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छा हूँ बेटू, तुम कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. इस बार क्या लहरा रहा है खेतों में?
इस बार खेतों में सरसों लगी है. सरसों के बाद एक नई फसल लगाएगी.
क्या यहाँ हर बार नई फसल लगाते हैं?
हाँ, मिट्टी की उर्वरकता पहचान कर और मौसम की जानकारी द्वारा नई फसल लगाई जाती है.
क्या ये सब इतना आसान है?
हमारे जमाने में नहीं था, लेकिन इस फिटनेस
In olden days, my parents struggled a lot. They depended on monsoon only, load their fields with bullocks, and used natural manure and pesticides. But today in our field, we are using tractors, drip irrigation, solar electricity, improved fertilizers, and drones for sowing and spraying pesticides. Earlier, we used to import food grains from other countries to fulfill our demands. But now, we are self-sufficient with higher harvest production, and surplus grains are exported to other countries. In real manner, we are self-sufficient and technologically advanced now.
Great. This simply is testament to the success of modern Indian agriculture. These techniques are not only enhancing our traditional practices, but are also bringing them to the global standards. It's a proud moment for India.
Yes, Indian agriculture has undergone through a remarkable transformation. What was once dependent on traditional methods has now evolved with the integration of science and technology. Proud of you, Harsh, and the farmers like you.
Thank you. Now come with me. I'll show you the another part of my field.
Hey, what happened?
My feet got twisted. I can't move.
Oh, don't worry. Let's go home. अरे बेची आई नहीं अब तक. मैंने उनके लिए बुलावा भेजा था.
आया बेटा आया. क्यों बुलाया था बेटा?
जी हाँ, मेरा दोस्त है. इसके पाँव में मोच आ गई है.
ठीक है बेटा, अभी देखता हूँ. सुना था कि फिरंगी लोग बहुत नाजुक होते हैं, और आज तो देख लिया.
We will apply you some name.
Left? What's that? Is it a face pack?
No, Emma, it is a traditional Indian home remedy.
Really? Ain't I visiting the dog?
No dear, you will see how a medicine will heal you in a day.
यह लेप है बेटा, जो शरीर को लगाने से यह शरीर का पूरा दर्द खींच लेती है। और हाँ, इस लेप में मिलाए हुए हल्दी को अगर चेहरे पर लगाया जाए तो बहुत अच्छा निखार आता है।
He is saying that it is a pack which when you apply on your injury, it will cure it. And the added turmeric which when you apply on your face, it will give glow to your face.
बेटा, तुमने अपने दोस्तों को यहाँ बुलाकर अच्छा काम किया है। उन्हें भी तो पता चले हमारे देश की मेहमान नवाजी।
हाँ वेद जी।
20 minutes later.
Wow, this left really works like a magic. I started to feel better now.
Do you can still depend on this home remedies for all kinds of ailments?
No dear, Indian modern healthcare is a unique blend of traditional Ayurvedic treatment and modern scientific treatments.
आपकी वह शहरों वाली महामारी थी ना, क्या कहते हैं उसको, करोना?
कोरोना नहीं वेद जी, कोरोना।
हाँ बेटा, कोरोना। उसको ही हमारे घरेलू नुस्खों ने ही दूर भगाया।
No wonders, as an immunity boosting measure against COVID-19, the Ministry of Ayush has recommended the golden lassi to the world.
Over the past few decades, India's healthcare system has done extraordinary advancements. Our vaccine production capabilities, as seen during the pandemic, have been a global game changer. Adoption of AI and robotics in healthcare is another big leap.
I heard that the Ayushman world has been guided in expanding healthcare access in India.
That's great. The Indian vaccination program, just like the COVID-19 vaccination program, shows the efficiency of the Indian healthcare.
I read that the beauty of Ayurveda lies in its traditional practices. It is amazing to see how Ayurveda is bridging the gaps between ancient wisdom and modern needs.
We hope you can
Are relaxing at Harsh's home. Suddenly, they hear a noise from outside.
देखा भी लगेगा देख।
हाँ हाँ देखते हैं।
देख लगा देख लगा
नहीं, नहीं,
अरे लगा मुझे तो डर
नहीं है। Hey, what's this? Is this a surprise?
No Emma, they are playing marbles.
What is it? Let me see.
Be careful, Jack.
अभी लगेगा तुम लोग से तो मानोगे ही ना।
अरे नहीं ना, हम लोग खेल रहे हैं।
ऐ शैतानो, क्या हल्ला मचा रखा है? आराम भी करने नहीं देते।
चाचा कैच।
शैतान बच्चे, एक तो हल्ला मचा रखा है और ऊपर से मार भी दिया।
अरे चाचा,
अब तो आप ही शोर मचा रहे हो।
अरे चाचा लगी तो नहीं, ऐसे बर्ताव करते हैं बड़ों से। सॉरी बोलो इन्हें।
सॉरी
इनका हर रोज का है बेटा।
अरे चाचा बच्चे हैं, ये नहीं खेलेंगे तो और कौन खेलेगा?
Hey, is it all sorted now?
Yes.
So many different types of games they are playing. It's really interesting.
Yes, surely. Harsh, you've already told us many things about it. I want to know more about Indian sports.
Sure, why not?
All the 4 friends are at Harsh's home. Jack is clicking photos of the trophies and medals kept on the rack.
Can I ask you something, Harsh?
Yeah, bro.
I can see a number of trophies and medals in your home. Who has achieved all those? You?
No, I'm not a sports person. They all belong to my father and sis. They are great sports persons.
Ali, which sports?
Wrestling and soccer. His sister is a national level soccer player and uncle himself is a skilled wrestler.
Wow.
Now come with me. There is a wrestling ground in our village. I'll show you.
Sure.
टिंग 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 टिंग।
रे सांबा, कितने आदमी थे?
पूरे 2 सरकार।
खामोश, हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वैसे शुरू होती है।
मुगम्बो खुश हुआ।
मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे, मेरे करण अर्जुन जरूर आएंगे।
ले आ गए तेरे करण अर्जुन। चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पे कभी संदेह नहीं करते।
आता माझी सटकली।
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है।
Hey, what's going on there?
Are Emma, they are just college-going students of our village, and they are influenced very much by old Bollywood movies that they were just saying the dialogues of those.
Oh, is it? I'll give you a dialogue of mine too. Avengers, assemble.
Wow! Now come with me. Let's go.
जा सिमरन जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
अरे don't be scared, let's go.
Emma, do you know, when we were young, around 10 to 15 years of age, I and Dhruv used to visit Dhruv's uncle's film studio and curiously observed movie shooting. It was a real fun. Do you remember Dhruv?
Absolutely. How can I forget about those fun times? Emma and Jack, do you want to visit the film studio? You can also get some knowledge about the Indian films, as my uncle has some real knowledge in it. I'm sure that you will enjoy visiting it.
It seems great opportunity to capture knowledge of Indian cinema.
I've watched many movies of different languages during the Indian Film Festival, and I'm a big fan of Indian directors like Satyajit Ray, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Shyam Benegal.
That's great to hear. Then you must visit my uncle's film studio and have a conversation with him regarding this to gain more knowledge about the Indian films.
So chalo then, let's go.
The four friends reached Dhruv's uncle's film studio. Dhruv's uncle, Mr. Nitin, is a middle-aged man. When they all enter, he is busy in setting his studio.
राधे राधे चाचा जी, कैसे हैं आप?
राधे राधे बेटा, इतने दिनों बाद इधर कैसे? और घर पे सब ठीक है ना?
सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है, सब ठीक है। मैं कुछ ही दिन पहले अपने दोस्तों के साथ इंडिया आया हूँ, तो सोचा आपसे भी मुलाकात हो जाए।
अरे वाह, बिल्कुल सही सोचा। और हर्ष को भी साथ लाया है, बढ़िया। और ये दोनों तुम्हारे विदेशी दोस्त हैं क्या?
हाँ चाचा, ये जैक और वो एमा है।
Hello, uncle. Namaste.
नमस्ते बेटा।
We have heard about your knowledge in Indian films, and we want to learn more about Indian cinemas, especially its evolution over the time. Will you enlighten us?
श्योर, व्हाई नॉट? तो चलो शुरू करते हैं भारतीय सिनेमा का अनोखा सफर।
Come on,
Meera, Rudra and all the four friends are getting ready for Rudra's school function. Dhruv and Harsh are alumni of Rudra's school and they are invited for the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the school.
Come on, Rudra. We are going to be late. Come on, Harsh. It's time to go now.
Chalo.
They start walking towards the school. All of them reach the school campus. Dhruv got excited seeing his school after a long time.
See, this is our school, and now it's Rudra's school also.
It's quite old, isn't it?
Yes, it's 60 years old, and today they are celebrating their Diamond Jubilee.
And we are invited here as alumni.
A moment of nostalgia, isn't it?
Yes, lots of memories.
See, Ravina ma'am, our biology teacher.
Jack and Emma, please wait here. We'll be right back.
Come on, Rudra. Let's go to your stall.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning, dear. Oh, the villain naughty too have grown up and now came to meet me after a long time. Forgotten the school, huh?
No, ma'am. How can we forget about those golden days? This campus, all of your guidance and love, and of course, our musty.
Do you remember, ma'am, how we pranked the whole class, keeping the rubber snake on the bench, and the punishment you gave us?
How can I forget those naughtiness boys? Chalo, now come with me and join the show. Let me show you how your juniors continue school's legacy in cultural activities.
Presented by the school students.
See, there's a science fair. Let's see what our juniors are doing.
You're Rudra? You're here too? What are you showing today?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Please come to our store to see the miracle of science. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Namaste.
Namaste. My name is Aniket. And I am Rudra. We have created an instrument named Smart Plastic to save the blind people from many accidents. There are 43 million people in the world who can't see the beauty of this world. Now, and they have to face many problems that can take their life into danger. We have taken a small step by making the Smart Plastic to save the blind people from many accidents. Now, we will see the demonstration of Smart Plastic, how it works. So, if any objects comes in front of this sensor in the distance of 15 centimeter, the buzzer buzzes. So, the blind people can get alert.
Such a bright mind. If the child can be technologically so advanced, then what of seniors? They must be amazing.
I will tell you more about the Indian technological advancements.
Hello.
And spicy too. Anything else, sir? No thanks, we're full.
Of flavors, spices and regions. Savor the taste of India from spices, curries to sweet dessert, from street food to royal banquets.
That's so true. But guys, now I want to see the Indian monuments and heritages. Would you take us for a tour ride?
Of course, Anna. And I know a person who can well guide us for this tour.
They meet the travel guide Jania.
हाय जेनिया, कैसी हो?
हाय हर्ष, मैं ठीक हूँ. और बता, यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ?
इनसे मिल, ये है मेरे फॉरेनर फ्रेंड्स जैक एंड एमा, और इन्हें इंडिया का टूर चाहिए एंड आई नीड योर हेल्प फॉर इट.
Oh, welcome to India. We have so much to offer. Visit incredible India, a land of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and timeless traditions. I'm your guide, Jania, and I'm excited to take you on this journey through the heart of India.
You're such a wonderful... You're such a wonderful person. You made our trip to India a memorable one. Now, may I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure. I think I know the question. Are you going to ask me, being a woman, how I taken this profession?
Yeah, exactly so. Wait, how do you know?
I've answered this many times. Actually, all credit goes to my husband, who himself is a tour guide and encouraged me the one, seeing my interest in history and traveling India. He guided me thoroughly, and I can proudly say, he is the man behind my success. I still think about those days when I wasn't allowed by my father to go to the city for higher studies. The life of women was hard, with no one to help them in household chores and no financial independence.
Yeah, but the life of men was hard too. They were the only bread-earning person in the family, and it was really difficult to chase dreams with those burdens.
But now the time has changed. Men are helping women to grow. Women are enjoying the financial independence and are able to help men by sharing their burden.
Truly, now we are working together from kitchen to office, sharing each other's burdens and enjoying life together.
Oh, how wrong would we to think that India is a country where men and women are treated unequally?
I told you that you have a very wrong idea about India.
आज अब लिंग समानता यानी कि जेंडर इक्वालिटी की ओर बढ़ रहा है, जहां पुरुष और महिला दोनों को समान अवसर मिल रहे हैं और दोनों मिलकर एक सशक्त और प्रगतिशील समाज का निर्माण कर रहे हैं।
काल बम बम बोले बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले
on multiple fronts.
यह युद्ध हमें भारत की लड़ाई दिखाएगा, जहाँ भारत की सभी सैन्य ताकतें, थल सेना, वायु सेना और नौ सेना शामिल है, जीत हासिल कराने में अहम भूमिका निभाए. Now let us invite grade 11 and 12 to show us their performance, which will be replicating the actual scenario during the Indo-Pak War.
The four are standing in front of Lal Killa with Jainya and are watching the preparation of 26th January.
What is this? What is this place, Jenya? It seems to me a historical one. Could you tell us about it?
Yes, it is Lal Killa, a very important historical place for India. You are really lucky to visit this place today. Today is 26th January, a remarkable day for India. As on this day, the Constitution of India came into effect in the year 1950.
And what are they doing here now? Who are these people?
They are the persons from Indian Defence. You must know, Indian Defence System is a robust and well-organized network designed to protect the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
It includes Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force.
Oh, and what's going on in there?
And those young girls and boys wearing different costumes. Are they going to take part in some show?
Yes, the defense personnel are getting ready for their performance, showcasing their excellence in their field. And these young girls and boys are getting ready for a skit on Indian defense. These all are a part of Republic Day celebration in India. So come, let's enjoy the show.